just 3 weeks and pretty much certified. That's really cool. The job that I was in prior, I just didn't enjoy as much. Once I heard of the opportunity at the shipyard for welding and what they had, I immediately knew I wanted to do that. And I figured that this would be the best way for me to get a good foundation, allow me to have a career that I enjoy. Never having any prior knowledge of how to weld, 3 weeks is not a lot of time to learn, but this program is essentially an introduction to welding and the technique behind it. The first day that I started, it immediately felt natural. I figured it'd take a lot more experience. After I would make a bead and chip at it, it was really cool to see how it would form very beautifully. Yeah, you're getting dirty, but you're creating something with your hands. As far as jobs go in general, it's something we're always going to need. A very good career opportunity. I'm excited about that.